What is the tone of the passage? This question sounds easy, but it troubles a lot of students in reading comprehension passages and they are leaving 3 marks on the table. Let's simply understand tone today in 3 simple steps. Tone is the author's attitude towards what the passage is. It is not what the author is saying, but how the author is saying something. Let's follow a 3-step formula. Step number 1 is look out for opinion words throughout the passages. These tell you author's stance in the passage. These are words like surprisingly, alarmingly, frustratingly. These indicate whether the passage is neutral or opinionated. Step number 2 would be looking at the first and the last paragraph. Authors usually reveal their true stance in the last paragraph, where they either end on a sarcastic note, on a negative note, on an optimistic note, and the last paragraph is a very good hint for that. And step number 3 is using a bucket elimination formula. Make 3 buckets. One is negative, one is positive, one is neutral. Now, negative bucket would have words like critical, sarcastic, cynical, scathing, and so on. The positive bucket would have words like appreciative, optimistic, hopeful, and so on. And the neutral bucket would have words like analytical, descriptive, objective, informative, and so on. Once you match the passage to either of these 3 buckets, this would easily eliminate at least 1 or 2 options, which makes your task easier. Now, it's also important to know some relevant vocabulary traps in the options. Didactic would usually mean something preachy, wistful would mean something which is nostalgic. These usually appear in options to confuse you, so know all the related synonyms and vocabulary words. And at the last, follow a 10-second rule. Just read the first and the last paragraph and identify whether the author is being positive, being negative, being neutral, and choose one of the 3 buckets. And in this manner, the tone questions should barely take you 20 seconds now. Subscribe to the channel for more such helpful tips and do drop a like if you like this video.